idea. This has happened to me so many times. I have no idea how to get wrinkles out of my backdrops. I've tried the little steamer thing, but it never works because I'm dumb. I don't ever buy the backdrops that are like cloth material. These are like satin, silky, and it just does not work. So if you have any tips, please let me know. But I thought for this look that even though it's still wrinkly and wavy, it kind of looked cool textured wise, not being just flat. So hopefully I'm not wrong, and when I look back at this video, I don't delete it because it's ugly. So alright, so we're going to be starting out with the face. The first thing we're going to use today is the Makeup Revolution, the matte blush in the color Beloved. It looks like this. And I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques blush brush. And of course, I love this blush. I love any blush that's like these colors because they're so pretty. And I dipped into that one a lot. But they're just so nice on my light colored skin. So I love these, and I've been really loving doing blush first before I do bronzer to blend it in, because sometimes blush is too pigmented and it doesn't blend well, so I like to add the bronzer last. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Revolution Ultra Bronze Bronzer, and I'm going to be taking the Morphe E41 brush. I love this brush. It just helps like distribute the bronzer like all over your face so evenly blended without any sharp lines. Freaking love this brush. Alright, now I'm going to be going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I've been loving this so much. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I love to spray setting spray on my face before doing highlighter because I feel like it sticks more. Alright, now I'm going to be going in with the Luxie 522 Tapered Highlighting Brush. And I'm going to be going in with the Kat Von D Metal Crush palette. It looks like this. So beautiful. I love this palette. These are so pigmented. They work beautiful as eyeshadows. They work beautiful as everything. And I keep slamming it down, but anyways, I love the other two colors right here, but I feel like I always die for the pink one because the pink one is so bright, and like look how much is on my brush. So I'm just gonna put this on my cheeks. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So it's like a very neon pink that shines on my face, but it doesn't make me personally feel like I have like a big streak of highlighter, if that makes any sense. It still blends into the skin nicely, and I just freaking love it. Like there's nothing disappointing about this palette. It's just, this palette's amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. And now I'm just going to go in with the Luxie 229 Tapered Blending Brush and go down the nose, because look at this. Look at that nose highlight. And we're just going to take it on the Cupid's bow. Even though we're going to cover it up, we're going to take it on the Cupid's bow. Alright, so I'm going to be taking my most recent favorite like crease transition color brush. This is the Morphe 504 M4 504 brush. And I'm going to be going in, and I just freaking love this palette. This is the Manny MUA Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. It looks like this on the inside. So beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to be going into the color Kai Kai. Kai Kai. Yes, Kai Kai. I think that's the name of it. And it's a neon pink color. So I'm going to be blending this into my crease. Holy shit. That is so pigmented. Oh my god. Forgot how pigmented this was. This is so pretty pigmented, but look how that just blended out. It just, this palette does not disappoint me. I feel like it's all that I'm reaching for lately. It has like, if I want to do a colorful look, it's got the colors. If I want to do a neutral look, it's got the neutrals. So I'm just blending this into my crease. Alright, so now that we have the pink laid down, I'm going to be going in with the Morphe M518 brush. And I'm going to be going into the color Pageant Queen, which is the purple color right here. And basically kind of do the same thing, but I'm not going to be taking it up as high. And I'm going to start out on the edge. I want the outer part to be more darker, if that makes any sense. So I start out there and then start blending it into my crease area. And we're going for like a galactic galaxy look. I've always wanted to do a like updated one because one of my most favorite looks is my galaxy look. So I'm gonna do this, and I did that years ago and I still love it. So I'm gonna try to recreate it in a different sense, but who knows what will happen. And I have, like, I talk about this in all my videos. I'm doing this eyeshadow, like, in the middle. It never fails, like, no matter how fast I set, how much powder I put on. I always get these stupid lines of creases, and I don't know if you guys can see, in my eyes, and they just don't fucking blend out. So just ignore that, because we're gonna try to, like, fix it, but honestly, it's so fucking annoying. Like, it never blends, never. And I'm gonna go back in with the first brush and just kind of round out to make sure everything's nice and blended. And I'm just gonna be taking a clean brush with no extra product on there, trying to blend out those inner corner crease areas, because that's gonna really make our look really ugly. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just kind of cut the crease a little bit. It's just going to be like a half cut crease, nothing too dramatic, but just so, you know, it's cut. And I'm just going to be setting it with my Luscious Cosmetics Camera Powder. So I have this cut. It is uneven, but that's okay because we're just gonna go with the flow. So now I'm gonna be going in with this Tarte Make Believe in Yourself Eye and Cheek Palette. It looks like this. It smells beautiful. It smells like, I don't even know. I want to say chocolate, but like, I don't know. It smells like buttery, creamy, yummy goodness. It's really pretty palette. I actually never use this. Like, I've used it like once. And so I'm just going to go in with the Morphe M408 brush. And I'm just going to be using this highlighting shade. Kind of shimmery highlight thingy. And I'm just going to be spraying my brush. This is the ColourPop Rose Quartz Crystal Priming Spray. I'd actually use this as a setting spray, not a priming spray, but it's a priming spray. And I'm going to be taking this on like the inner part of the eyes and a little bit to the middle, but I'm not going to be taking it entirely out, if that makes any sense. And this actually works really beautiful as like a shimmer shade. It's really, really pretty. Alright, so that looks kind of pretty, but honestly it's kind of starting to like, not separate, but it's kind of starting to like bead up on the eyes, and it's looking really like chunky, which is really weird. Alright, so with that being said, we're just going to go in with a little bit of white glitter just to kind of cover it up and make it a little bit more shimmery. So I'm just going to take that concealer brush, because why not? And I'm taking my NYX glitter glue, and it's always a pain in the ass to get this out. And I'm only taking a little bit, just kind of patting it through on the eyes, and only a little bit of glitter. And we're going to be using the Skeddit Beauty Skull Glitter in the color Frosty, which is just a white glitter. And holy crap, I just dumped it out my hand. This glitter is so pretty. I don't think I've used this one yet. I love the Skeddit Beauty glitters, but I don't think I've used this one. And it's so pretty. It has like really pretty, like different colored, more like a green and like orangey like reflex in it. So pretty. And now I'm going to be taking that purple color on that same brush and just going on the outer part just to kind of blend it together. Alright, and so before I move on too dramatically with this look, I'm just going to let you guys know who inspired this look. So I am going to be doing a little bit different, but pretty much the entire like beginning part that I just did was inspired by Diana Maria _MUA. This is her page, and this is the eyeshadow look she created. A little bit darker than mine, but it's so beautiful. She is one of my most favorite Instagram artists. I just absolutely love her. So I'm going to link her stuff down below so you guys can go check her out, because she honestly, like, this girl is everything with her makeup. Alright, so now I'm taking that same brush and I'm going to go in with that pink color first and start blending it under my eyes. And I'm trying to use a light amount because this is so pigmented. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with this little flat brush. It doesn't really have a name. It's like, I think it's like a paintbrush. I think it's like Borghese is on there. It's kind of wiped off. So I'm going to go in with the purple color now, just a flat brush. And I'm going to start blending that underneath the waterline. Alright, and now off camera I'm going to go in with this BellaPierre black eyeliner and put it in my waterline. Alright, and now I'm going back into the Metal Crush palette, and on a pencil brush I'm going into that pink color, and I'm just going to be popping this on the inner corner and brow bone. Actually, I think I'm going to do this. I've never done this before, but I think I'm just going to kind of line the whole under of my brow. And the powder is falling down, but I'm going to clean that off just to kind of give that whole top part of the brow a bright, shimmery highlight. Alright, so off camera, I just went ahead and put on some lashes. These are the Skeddit Beauty Hades, I don't know, lashes. I don't know how to pronounce it, but they're beautiful. They're on my eyes. I suck at putting them on. And then just to kind of blend in the lashes, I used the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara and I put it on the bottoms. Alright, so now I'm just going to go back in with that glue we were using, and I'm just going to take a little eyeliner brush. This is the Sigma Eyeliner E05 brush, and I'm just going in with this. And I'm going to be dotting like, we're going to start on this side. I'm going to dot like maybe like 3 or 4 little dots right here, and we're going to place down some star glitter. Alright, so these are just like little Halloween cosmetic glitters. So I have some star ones right here, and I'm just going to use the ones on the lid, and I'm just going to pick them up as best as I can and try to lay them down. There we go. I've always wanted to do this. I don't know why I've never have, but that looks so cute. Okay, so we're going to add a shitload more. So I'm just going to go in with the glue again, and I want to take it into the crease a little bit, so that's what we're gonna try to do. Honestly, I didn't think it would look good on my crease, but it's looking not too bad just because I have very hooded eyes, so I wasn't expecting it to look good, but that's, I'm not mad at it. I kind of want to take it in a little bit more, so we're gonna put one right there. Just kind of going with the flow and seeing how it turns out. So I wasn't expecting that to look as good as it does, but I actually do really like it. Now I just gotta copy what I did on this eye to this eye. Okay, so I did the other eye off camera, and it's honestly, it doesn't look that much different. A little bit on the like little outer part right here, but it looks kind of even, right? Alright, so now for the last step. Hopefully I like this and don't have to wipe it off. I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colors Sand Liquid Lipstick. And then on top, I'm going to be taking the City Lips Lip Gloss, and this is in the color Orchard. It's like a purpley shimmery color. Alright, so even though this is a really beautiful lip gloss and I love the other colors that I use, but this is just not showing up as well as I was wanting it to. So I'm just going to go back into that Metal Crush palette, and we're going to be taking the pink color, and I'm just taking a little bit of the pink color on the lips. And by a little bit, I mean a lot. Okay, wow, that is the completed look. I actually really love this look. Wow, okay, so if you guys don't know me, I'm obsessed with stars. Like anything stars, I love the symbol of stars. So I love that I put these on the eyes. It looks so pretty. I love the colors together. I didn't think I was gonna like the lip, but it actually does look pretty decent now that I put that pink shimmer on it. But yeah, I'm actually really loving it. I didn't put the lashes on too terribly, and I normally do, so I'm like really happy. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know down below in the comments what you would like to see next, and I will see you guys in my next video. You got someone else.